Bellofram Corporation is a world leader in the manufacturing of both fabric-reinforced and homogenous diaphragms for all our customers' dynamic sealing needs. With extensive in-house manufacturing abilities and facilities in North America, Europe, and Asia, we're able to provide the right dynamic sealing solution our customers need, wherever our customers need it. We offer custom compounding of rubber and silicone and a variety of grades and specifications of each elastomer. Our in-house testing capabilities allow us to ensure we're meeting product standards even before production begins. Our in-house calendaring capabilities ensure our elastomers have consistent coverage across a variety of different shapes during the molding process, which is critical to fabric placement and overall performance of the seal. We use state-of-the-art laser cutting technology to cut even the most complicated fabric preform patterns with precision. Our proprietary fabric molding technology allows us to manufacture fabric preforms that can stand up to 10 inches tall. We hold a large inventory of elastomers and fabrics to ensure we can support your custom product build no matter what, even during supply chain interruptions. At Bellofram Corporation, we're capable of molding diaphragms in a variety of configurations, including single coat, double coat, homogeneous, and metal-inserted rubber diaphragms. Our diaphragms use either mechanical or chemical bonding technology to interlock our fabric to any elastomer, resulting in excellent flex life and endurance. Our experienced technical sales team can help identify the right materials and specifications to help you find the right solution. Our in-house machine shop is able to turn out prototype tooling quickly, or you may find that our large inventory of standard tooling works well too. No matter where you are or what industry you're in, we have the flexibility and the capability to provide the diaphragms you need.